What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video and thank everybody for subscribing and checking out my channel and watching my videos. Thanks for all the love and interest that I've received for my T-Rex trailer. I really wasn't expecting any of this, and I sent Rich email telling him what I did, and he was interested, so we started talking, and he wanted to meet up, and he said, when it was done, he's like, be prepared. People are going to message you and contact you. I'm like, all right, cool, whatever. And looking back now, it's pretty funny because shortly after he dropped the video, a couple hours later, I said, yeah, Rich, I have 2 new subscribers. Wow. And he didn't respond, but he should have just laughed because since then I've received a couple hundred. And that's pretty cool for me. I'm really not a boisterous person. I'm pretty boring in real life, I would say. I don't ask people to share or promote my videos. You can like it, give it a thumbs up if you want, but like other YouTubers, I know that's all they do. They want the promotion, but I like tinkering and I like working on stuff. So that's really why I did all this. I think it's funny I even have a YouTube channel, but here it is anyway. Yeah, so don't expect a lot. I've said in other videos, I don't do any special intros. There's no graphics. I don't do any editing. Pretty much most of these are I do in one take. I ramble on in pretty much all of them. I swear there's usually a beer in the background somewhere. You can't see it right now. So don't expect a lot and you won't be disappointed. The channel's really just about content. I make it so I remember what the hell I did. So if I ever want to do it again, I know how to do it. Also, I guess I did it just for my son. He's 10 months old now, but it might be kind of cool for him to look at it in a 10, 12 years or something and look at how primitive our technology was and laugh at how goofy his dad is. But yeah, I guess that's really about it. I hope you guys like the content. Feel free to subscribe and share. Definitely not a prerequisite by any means. But yeah, and if you guys have any questions or anything, I'll put my email below. Just let me know if you have any questions. In one of my next videos, maybe tomorrow, I'll do a review of the RAV4. I know a lot of the videos out there that talk about the RAV4 are from like 2011 and 12 when it first came out. But most people don't even know it exists. So when I go to the National Drive Electric Week events in my area, I usually try to hit them in New York, and this year I went to Poolsville and Washington, D.C. I'll keep trying to hit as many as I can. But when I go, there's tons of people that have never even heard of the RAV4. And so I'm used to talking about it, educating people about the car. So I'll write a review because there's really not much out there about the car. And then I'm thinking for the second video that I'll do, a lot of people have questions about connecting these 2 battery packs in parallel when the voltage is different. I've seen a lot of comments that people think it's horrible, it's going to blow up your house and all that stuff. But it's really not bad. You want them close, but I'll do another video and I'll show the voltage for each. I'll connect them. And we'll do some info on that. But if you guys have any other ideas or anything else you want to see, definitely let me know. If you want to meet up and see the pack sometime, that's cool too. But yeah, I'm really happy that you guys are all subscribing, enjoying the content, and definitely a big thanks to Rich for taking the time to meet me and come out there. I had a great time. It was just a whirlwind of info. We were talking and chatting for, I think it was probably a little over an hour or something like that, but had a great time. He definitely has a fun personality, cool guy. I'm glad we had that experience. And yeah, so I mean, I guess that's about it for now. But like I said, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And feel free to share if you want to, or don't. I don't care. See you guys.